the majestic giants exploring the largest macaws. In the heart of the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, one bird stands out for its size, vibrant colors, and majestic beauty: the macaw. These incredible creatures are not only among the largest parrots in the world, but also have unique habits, fascinating family dynamics, and crucial roles in their ecosystem. Today we'll explore three of the most iconic and largest macaws: the hyacinth, Buffons, and green-winged macaws. Let's start with the hyacinth macaw, a bird that stands out not just for its size but also for its vibrant beauty and unique behaviors. The hyacinth macaw is the largest of all parrots, a true giant in the avian world. With its striking cobalt blue feathers and golden yellow eye rings, the hyacinth macaw is a true spectacle of nature. These colors not only make them beautiful, but also help them blend into their natural habitat. Native to Brazil, this bird can reach up to 100 centimeters in length, with a wingspan that stretches nearly 1.5 meters. This impressive wingspan allows them to glide gracefully through the dense forests and open spaces of their habitat. But their size is not the only thing that makes them remarkable. Their intelligence and social behaviors are equally fascinating. The hyacinth macaw's feeding habits are deeply linked to their habitat. They have evolved to thrive in the specific conditions of the Brazilian rainforests and wetlands. These birds primarily feed on palm nuts, especially from the acai palm. Their diet is highly specialized, and they rely on these nuts for the majority of their nutrition. Their strong beaks are capable of cracking tough shells, allowing them to access the nutritious seeds inside. This ability is crucial for their survival, as it enables them to exploit a food source that many other animals cannot. They also eat other fruits, seeds, and some crops, which has at times put them in conflict with local farmers. This conflict highlights the delicate balance between wildlife and human activities. Hyacinth macaws thrive in the Brazilian rainforests and wetlands, often near the rivers in the Pantanal region. These areas provide the perfect combination of food sources and nesting sites. Their preferred habitat is dense, tall forested areas with open spaces for foraging. These environments offer the resources they need to survive and raise their young. Sadly, the destruction of these forests due to agriculture and deforestation has threatened their population. The loss of habitat is one of the biggest challenges facing the hyacinth macaw today. Hyacinth macaws are considered a vulnerable species, with only around 5,000 individuals left in the wild. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their survival. When it comes to survival, family plays a crucial role. These birds are known for their strong social bonds and family structures. These macaws form strong family bonds, often staying in pairs for life. This lifelong partnership helps them raise their young and navigate the challenges of their environment. Their nesting habits are equally fascinating. They nest in tall trees using holes or cavities made by woodpeckers. These nests provide a safe place for their eggs and chicks. The parents take turns feeding the chicks until they are old enough to fledge or leave the nest. This cooperative parenting ensures that the young macaws have the best chance of survival. Next, we have Buffon's macaw, also known as the great green macaw. This magnificent bird is one of the largest parrots in the world and is renowned for its striking appearance and vibrant colors. These birds have a distinct green plumage with red and blue accents around their face and tail feathers. The green feathers help them blend seamlessly into the lush foliage of their rainforest habitat, providing excellent camouflage against predators. Slightly smaller than the hyacinth, Buffon's macaws can grow up to 85 centimeters long. Despite their size, they are incredibly agile and can navigate through dense forest canopies with ease. Like their larger cousins, Buffon's macaws also have specialized feeding habits. They have powerful beaks that can crack open the toughest nuts and seeds, which are a staple in their diet. Their diet is similar, consisting of hard seeds, nuts, and fruits, especially from native palms. These food sources provide the necessary nutrients to maintain their vibrant plumage and overall health. However, their preferred food source is the fruit of the monkey puzzle tree, a critically important tree for both the macaws and other wildlife in the region. The fruit is not only nutritious but also helps in the dispersal of the tree's seeds, playing a vital role in the ecosystem. Buffon's macaws are found in Central America, particularly in Costa Rica, Honduras, and Panama. These regions provide the dense tropical rainforests that are essential for their survival. They inhabit the tropical rainforests of these areas, relying heavily on the canopy for foraging and nesting. The high trees offer safety from ground predators and a rich supply of food. Unfortunately, due to habitat destruction and the illegal pet trade, Buffon's macaw is also listed as endangered, with an estimated population of less than 1,000 individuals in the wild. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these magnificent birds and their habitats. The family structure of Buffon's macaws is similar to that of the hyacinth. They are monogamous, forming strong, long-lasting bonds with a single mate. They often form long-lasting bonds with a single mate, and they work together to raise their young. Both parents are involved in the care and feeding of the chicks, ensuring they have the best start in life. Nesting typically occurs in large, hollow trees, where both parents share the responsibility of incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. These nests provide a safe environment for the young macaws to grow and develop. These macaws are incredibly social, often seen in small groups or pairs. Their social interactions are complex and play a crucial role in their survival, as they rely on each other for protection and finding food. Watching a Buffon's macaw in flight is a breathtaking sight. Their powerful wings allow them to soar gracefully above the canopy, covering large distances in search of food and mates. These flights are not only essential for their daily survival, but also for maintaining the genetic diversity of their populations. And finally, we have the green-winged macaw, a true marvel of the avian world. With its dazzling red, blue, and green feathers, this macaw is not just colorful, but also one of the largest in the macaw family, measuring up to 90 centimeters in length. Its vibrant plumage makes it a standout in the dense foliage of its rainforest home. Green-winged macaws have a diverse diet that plays a crucial role in their ecosystem. They eat a wide range of fruits, seeds, and nuts, which helps in seed dispersal and forest regeneration. Their strong, curved beak is ideal for cracking open nuts and seeds, allowing them to access food sources that many other animals cannot. They are also known to feed on crops, which can lead to conflicts with farmers, particularly in Central and South America. This behavior sometimes brings them into direct conflict with human activities. These macaws are native to the tropical rainforests of South America, particularly in countries like Brazil, Bolivia, Colombia, and Ecuador. Their presence is a vital indicator of the health of these ecosystems. Their natural habitat is the rainforest canopy, where they build their nests in tall trees. These nests provide a safe haven for raising their young away from ground predators. Like the other large macaws, green-winged macaws are facing threats from deforestation, trapping, and habitat loss, though their population is somewhat more stable than that of the hyacinth and Buffon's macaws. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their survival. Green-winged macaws are known for their affectionate family structure, often seen engaging in mutual preening and other bonding behaviors. They typically form strong monogamous pairs that raise their young together. This strong family bond is essential for the survival of their chicks. Parents take turns feeding their chicks and defending the nest against predators. This cooperative parenting ensures that the young macaws have the best chance of reaching adulthood. These birds are extremely vocal, using their calls to communicate with each other and to warn of danger. Their loud, distinctive calls can be heard echoing through the rainforest, a testament to their social nature and the complex dynamics of their communities. The survival of these incredible birds depends on the health of their habitats. All three species, the hyacinth, Buffon's, and green-winged macaws, are facing challenges that threaten their existence. But conservation efforts are underway to protect these majestic birds, from habitat restoration to anti-poaching laws, and community engagement to reduce human-wildlife conflict. Conservation groups are working hard to monitor macaw populations, protect their natural habitats, and ensure these birds have a future in the wild. Programs aimed at breeding and reintroducing macaws into their natural environments have shown promise, but there is still much work to be done. Macaws are more than just beautiful birds. They are important members of their ecosystems. By protecting them, we protect the rainforests that sustain countless other species. Together, we can ensure that these majestic giants continue to thrive for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey to learn about the largest macaws in the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wildlife stories and conservation insights.